Okay, so the first thing is to undo all the zip ties that are on here, because they obviously for shipping they need to be nice and solid so that they don't move around when they're shipping them. I'm trying to do this backwards, so I'm not standing in front of the camera, so please just bear with me. And I'm doing this in real time because then you can actually see how long it is going to take, rather than fast forwarding through everything, because that's a bit of a cheat. Come on. There you go. Yeah, because that's a bit of a cheat, because I like to know exactly how long it's going to take me. And most of the videos that I watch, they did actually fast forward through some of the stuff. So obviously, if you don't really want to watch me do everything in real time, you're quite welcome to fast forward. But I'm doing this so that we can see exactly how long it takes. Be careful I don't cut something I'm not supposed to cut. Oh, and excuse the get up, like I said, it is Christmas, so nothing's matching, but Christmassy. Okay, let's take that's left it quite sticky. Don't know if that's going to make a difference. It's a bit better. It's not as bad. Right. Okay, so that's all that. I still don't know what this clock is. I'm not sure. I don't know if it's just so that you can time how long your stuff takes. I'm not sure. Like I said, I didn't see that in any of the other videos that I watched. So, yeah. Okay, so like I said, this is facing me because I didn't want to stand in front of the camera while I'm doing it. So I hope you can still see what I'm doing. I'm sure you can. Okay, so this is amazing. Like I said before, everything is color coded, not like when I had to do the Ender 3. So basically what you've got to do is you've got to take off these screws here, because this is holding the actual bed onto here, obviously because of transport. They didn't want the actual bed to be moving around, so these just come off because it's just for transportation. Right, so those I'll just put in here for now. Okay, so now you can flip them over again. But like I said, I'm doing it so it's facing me. And then what you do is Okay, so we clip that off and slide it out. Now you have to put the base onto this. So let's just see if we've got it right. So this is the front, like I said, and you have to get this like that. Is that right? Hope so. Okay, so now I already took off the base because we need to now get to these screws, and these little packets are all marked. You know exactly where they go, and you know exactly where the screws go because they are nicely marked with green. So let's pop those in. Now let's just make sure that it's in the right place before I start screwing everything in. There's nothing underneath. I thought I heard a piece of plastic. Okay, so now with my Allen key, and as usual I've put it somewhere and I can't find it. Okay, so now let's just check that they are going to screw in properly. Clearly our little mumble, he's a pineapple conure. He's actually not ours, he's my son and daughter-in-law's. But we're babysitting for Christmas because they've gone down to Cape Town. And he likes to get a bit vocal sometimes. He is very cute though. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these all in and then I'll screw them down. That was tight already. tight. Just double check this one. Yeah. Right, so now we slide this forward, and there are another 2 here that we need to put in. That clock is still perplexing me. Maybe I need to read in the instruction book where that's come from. Right, so that's those done. Now, next step is to put, we do have 2 screws left. Am I missing 2? Did I put one in there and there? No, because there's no green mark there, but there's 2 screws. Okay. Well, I'll put them back. Maybe they just give you extra. It would help if I'd read in the instructions, but I seem to know what we're supposed to be doing. Right, so now we'll put the cover back. Okay, easier said than done. Right, done. Perfect. So that is the next step. Okay, so now this little oak has to go into, let me turn this around. I don't want to, let's do this. Okay, so this little guy has to go into here because these are corresponding. So green will go there, white will go there, and that is the yellow, and that will go all the way across. But for now, we've got to clip this in. I think because this guy, excuse my head, he has to fit into the little there we go. Right, and he clips in because he's like a little, he looks like the end of a cell phone charger. He has to slide into there. Now this little guy pops open. Again. Oh. There we go. Right, so this, just making sure that he's in there properly. This cable goes through here. Push him in because he's a little bit twisted. There we go. Right, so green and green. He's fine. He's a little bit of a tight fit, this one. Okay, just make sure they're in properly. This little screw here has to be tightened. I'm not sure why there's 2 extra screws there. It always makes me feel like I've done something wrong, but apparently I haven't. Okay, so that is that. Okay, so let's just lift him up again. Okay, turn him around, fold out the screen. Okay, looks like we're all good. Okay, so now we are going to put this in. Oh, I didn't do the wrist one. Okay, that's everything now, hey? Can't see any others. Right, so now this is the purge wiper that wipes off any of the excess filament. Okay, that's the purge wiper screw, and that's going to go onto here. Right, so that's the purge wiper screw in. Okay. Does it go in the middle? Does it go in the middle towards the side? It goes towards the side of it, hey? Okay. So that is everything set up. So now I will finish this video, and then in the next video we will put the filament on, get everything working, and do a test to see how it actually prints. So thanks guys for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe to Crafty Girls SA. Thanks again for watching.